The second wave of COVID 19 has hit hard on people's mental and emotional health. Extension of lockdown is keeping us locked up in our room again. Fears of missing out, fear of left behind, or losing a job are increasing day by day. Here we are going to talk about how to stay away from these negative and self destructive thoughts. Break the cycle of silence and shame. The most important step to take for immediate effect is to find a therapy that suits you. Share with your family what you are going through. Talk to a friend. If you're not comfortable with it, talk to a therapist. You can also try to write about it. It's high time now to start sharing your feelings with your loved ones. If you think you, your friend, or any family member is going through a difficult time, ask for help or offer your help to them. Work from home is keeping us chained up to our desk. Try to spend some time with your family after your working hour. Talk about your day and ask them how their day went. Break the stigma related to mental health. Stop watching the news all day. Watch the news only in a limited amount so you stay aware of all the symptoms of different variant of COVID and prevent yourself from getting infected. Stress can stay you awake at night. You can try reading books before going to bed. Put your phone away for at least half an hour before going to bed. You can listen to calm music for better sleep. Try to improve your sleep pattern. You can also try breathing exercises. Look out for the exercise that suits you most. It can be yoga, meditation, dance, or swimming. Exercise helps you in reducing stress, anxiety, hypertension, and increases your self esteem. Try to do exercise for at least 15 to 30 minutes daily. You don't have to be a fitness fanatic to get the benefit. Try to eat healthy food, increase vegetable, fruit, fibers in your diet. Try to cut down the junk food and sweet beverages. You can also have tea to calm yourself and for better sleep. Tea like chamomile, lavender, peppermint, saffron. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel.